What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is August 8th, 2026. We're going to be talking about August 9th, 2026. We're going to be looking at a 2 out of 5 slight risk here for Northern Illinois, Southern Wisconsin, Eastern Iowa, Northwest Indiana. We're going to be talking about maybe some strong tornadoes tomorrow. I'll break it down really quick here. What we're going to see is a little bit of morning convection. We're going to see some storms here start to fire off. We're going to see a line actually roll through. It's going to roll east throughout the morning. These could be strong at times. We could be looking at, maybe some lightning, thunder, some strong winds at times. Hail is going to be the main factor in the evening as well as tornadoes. But with this, we're just going to see a lot of rain and lightning, basic stuff, thunderstorm stuff. This is going to clear out by around 1. Hopefully, this isn't what happens. We don't want to see this. We don't want to see clearing out. We don't want to see, this break in clouds and everything because that helps fuel the storms in the afternoon. That'll make them 3 times worse. I mean, what we're gonna see is timing wise, this is all up on the board still. If it even happens, it's like the domino effect. If this happens, this will happen. If this happens, this will happen. We're gonna see. I mean, everything's on the board right now. What we're gonna look at though, as of right now, a few different models are recommending this. This is a NAM model. This is what this shows. So we're gonna be looking at probably around the 9, 10 to 11 time frame. These storms, if it's a cluster like it's showing right now, if this is clustered up moving into Chicagoland, we're gonna be looking at a damaging wind threat as well as maybe some hail. But a lot of other models have shown discrete supercells, which is not good. It's just when you get a storm here, a storm here, a storm here, and they're all spread out. That is more worry for tornadoes and very large hail up to like 3 inches. That's just not what we want to see. I mean, either way, we gotta hope this isn't happening. I'll try to explain it here. So we're gonna have a cold front. I'll use the temperatures for example here. We're gonna have a cold front start to push through in the morning. Here we go. We're gonna have a cold front. So this is tonight. This is gonna be tomorrow morning, very early. We're gonna see pretty decently normal temperatures tomorrow. We're gonna see temperatures probably around the mid 70s to low 70s. And then we're gonna see this cold front start to come through, and this is gonna be very very brief. I mean, tomorrow, if you want to talk about a temperature swing, we're gonna see one, and it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna see probably around 65 to 67 degree temperatures. Then fast forward a little bit, you go skip 2 hours, we're back in the 80s. I mean, it's gonna be wild to see. This is typically a spring setup, but right behind it here, we're gonna be climbing up into the 80s, and then I'll try to zoom back here. You can kind of see it's not very defined here, but we're gonna see a cold front start to swoop down here, and that'll pretty much limit off. Like that'll be the end of all the storms tomorrow. That'll pretty much say that we're in the clear. Nothing is really gonna form behind it except just rain. These dew points as well, the atmosphere is going to be juiced, and I mean juiced. I mean, we're going to be looking at Cape values upwards of 5,000, which is insane. Pair it with the dew points here, and this all depends on what happens in the morning. I mean, if we see the cold front start to push down here, if we see it all the way up here in by Portage to Sheboygan, we're going to be looking at severe weather here in southern Wisconsin. Or if we see it start to push down more into, Ottawa or like central Illinois, if we see it start to push down here, we're going to be looking at like basically what we saw in the spring when we had a EF3 tornado in Kankakee. I mean, this all depends. We could be looking at it here, we could be looking at it here, here, anywhere in this area. And this 2 out of 5 will shift or be upgraded for sure. I could definitely see 3 out of 5 enhanced or even a 4 out of 5 high risk depending on like if these tornadoes or if the supercell stay discrete tomorrow. But other than that, rain is there's gonna be a lot of rain. I do want to show this significant tornado parameter tomorrow. This kind of worries me, especially depending on where this front sets up. This really worries me that we could be looking at some strong or very intense tornadoes in some highly populated areas. This kind of setup is known for producing some strong tornadoes for sure. So this is gonna be tomorrow morning. Very low significant tornado parameter, but I just want to show you guys it kind of like it explodes in the afternoon. It's not really showing anything with this model. This model is kind of off with this. I don't agree with this, and I can't really go to any other models for this here. But this right here is what we're gonna be seeing somewhere in pretty much this area here. I don't like where it puts it here. I think it's just whatever. We'll have to wait till tomorrow for the model refresh to come in. But other than that, tomorrow. So overall timing, early morning, we're gonna be looking at some storms come through. Maybe some thunder, maybe some lightning, maybe some strong winds at times. That'll clear out. You get into tomorrow around noon. We're looking at maybe some clear skies. Hopefully not. Hopefully cloudy. Hopefully it stays cool so we get no severe weather in the afternoon. If it does get warm and sunny, then we're gonna be looking at big time severe weather tomorrow. Possibly tornado threat. This could get upgraded again. Overall, I'll probably be going live stream tomorrow. If you guys want to join in, make sure you turn your notifications on. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and stay safe. We will see you tomorrow.